Welcome to Optimum Forex Trading. Robina from Zim's Trading Journal. I trade ICT concepts, having learned how to trade off the free mentorship provided on his YouTube channel. My main pair is cable, which refers to Great British Pound USD, and I focus on trading during the London morning session, specifically paying close attention to fair value gaps and order blocks. If you're interested in learning to trade the way I trade, I recommend visiting the Inner Circle Traders YouTube channel. There you can learn algorithmic price action trading for free. Now, I want to emphasize the importance of the following disclaimer, please, guys. Please note that everything you see here should be viewed as entertainment and not construed as trading, investment, or financial advice. Additionally, it is important you know that I will never engage in direct messaging you, and if someone using my information approaches you, it's an attempt to scam you, so please block them and report such individuals. All communities I manage will be connected to my YouTube channel, including my email address, so feel free to reach out if you have any questions or you need assistance. If you enjoy my channel and are inclined to support my trading journey, please consider liking, subscribing, and activating the notification bell and stay updated to any new videos I post. I sincerely appreciate you and I hope you will stay longer. All right, great. So now let's move straight into the video. Right. Today is Tuesday, 7 November 2023, and it is just after 9 a.m. in Zim, where I am, which is just after 2 a.m. New York time. We are now within the London kill zone, which is the kill zone that I wait for an indication of possible market direction. So I just want to jump up to the monthly real quick since we are within our kill zone time frame so that we can break down the trade since we want to trade today. All right, remember we trade Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Great. Okay, so you remember this SIBI that we highlighted, if you watched my market review, that is. Highlighted this SIBI as possible draw, that market might possibly want to come up and reprice the SIBI first before making its way down. It looks like it did. However, it didn't come to premium because if you remember, we marked our SIBI like that. And the market did come up during Monday's price action. It did come just short of the 0.5 equilibrium. So it means we are still in discount where this SIBI is concerned. We would like to see market coming up to premium, which is above here somewhere, meaning today I should be looking to buy instead of sell. Let's just drop down to the weekly, right? Of the weekly, you can see that we created a BISI. No, there isn't a BISI. Of the weekly time frame, same scenario. We did trade up just shy of equilibrium. We would like to see market come up into premium and maybe start making its way down. Let me just jump down to the daily, right? We've got the daily BISI that was created yesterday. Let me just stretch that out for you so you can see it. Okay, that's the daily BISI. So it looks like price is currently drawing a bit lower into the daily or digging into the daily. How low it will go, I do not know. We also have the H4 BISI that we highlighted on Saturday's market review. So let's just drop down to H4 to see what price is doing, right? We have this H4 as well that price has traded past. It will be interesting to see if this pullback is complete and price is now looking to go up, or price will continue pulling back a bit lower. Let me analyze this from the 1 hour time frame, so maybe it makes it a bit easier to see. Alrighty, So we are on the 1 hour. Draw out our H4, maybe put it in a bit since price is closer here than it is stretched out there. We've also got our monthly CB. Within the monthly CB, we've got an H4 CB, we've got a weekly CB, and now we've got this new H4 CB that was created yesterday. All right, I apologize. I had highlighted these before I started recording, then realized that, oops, I'm supposed to be recording, aren't I? Then forgot to remove them. But anyways, this CB was created yesterday. So the question now, since today is a trading day, is since we are pulling back, we saw this very large candle. Sorry, let me just correct my screen. All right, we've seen price moving up, like being delivered to buy side, right? Slight pullback and then a rally up, and now we've got this deep pullback, right? So our question now would be how, let's just thicken this so that maybe you can see it a little bit clearer for those who are having challenges seeing my screen because of my background. So the question now is, how far is market pulling back into the BC before it makes its way up? And for us to have maybe a general idea, we have to wait for our London kill zone to continue and complete its painting. The reason being, we're pulling back, right? Say from this week, we can pull back all the way down to this H4 BC, then start making our way up, right? Or we can pull back to the tip of that bullish candle and then start making our way back up. We can use this H4 as resistance, then make our way down. It gets a bit tricky when it's like this because remember, we don't control the market. But since I trade the London morning session, my assumption would be that hopefully London morning will create the low of the week so far, and that price will be willing to go up to create the high of the week on Thursday, meaning I would like to see my pullback, London to give me an indication that is now ready to go up, and then this to happen, and then maybe reprice back into any price leg that would have been created during London session when New York kill zone opens. So this New York kill zone can pull back up here and then continue higher to create the high of the week on Thursday. This is what I would like to happen compared to this. All right. Morning session, my session, go up, come down to just above my session, then continue up. However, if morning session goes up and then price comes down during London to take me out and then go back up, it's all right. It is part of the journey because we do not predict it. All I do is wait for my price action to paint. However, if price continues going down, all right, during London session, it means today we sit on the sidelines and we do not trade. It really is that simple. So I'm waiting for green candles to paint within my London kill zone, and that's the price point that I'm going to use for my buy entry for today. Let me just leave this there with my 20 pips, risking $50 as usual. My level of delivery is towards the buy stops that are resting above buy side liquidity, hoping that market does eventually want to come up into the premium level of that monthly CB. So we wait. I am going to leave this here and come back when my kill zone has painted. That's it. That's the long and short of it for now. I will see you in a bit. Oh, and by the way, before I forget, I managed to upgrade my screen customatic, so now there isn't a watermark on my screen, and now you can see I'm able to play around with the way my face will be looking on the screen, which I'm very happy with. I was using the free version before, and then I upgraded to the paid version, which is just $24 per year. I didn't go for the one that's slightly more expensive because I really don't edit that much. I'm learning how to edit my own YouTube videos, and I think the more I improve, the better I get, then clearly I will look at upgrading and putting in the AI tools and stuff. But for now, I'm happy with what I have. And yeah, that's it. So I will see you soon. Great. Okay, I am back. It is just before 11 a.m. in Zim where I am, which is just before 4 a.m. New York time. And it looks like this candle that's painting is indeed forming a busy. But for us to confirm it as a probable busy, we need to wait for the next candle to paint and create that gap. This is just, let's put this as a question mark because this is a probability. It probably is creating a busy. Also, we have to look at the relative equal highs right there and what price is going to do, because we still have this order block, this bearish order block. As you can see, we do have this CB on the 1 hour. So is price just coming up to consequent encroachment of the bearish order block, or is it actually coming up to continue higher? Question would be like this: is it coming to the midpoint or to respect this order block then tank? Question 1. Or question 2 is it going up to create a BC, come down to reprice that BC, then go up? That is question number 2. And the only way that we can answer that is if we wait for this candle to finish painting and the next one as well to paint and create a gap. And when that gap is created, we then come in with our limit order, stop loss at 20 pips just below this swing low, or a little bit in, depending on this order block here, because order block is a run up to liquidity. We are within the BC and we are running down towards the BC, the daily one, so we should be looking for higher prices. All right, but we wait for confirmation. All right, so I will be back again, let's say in about 30 minutes to an hour, just to see what price has done and decide on whether we are taking today's trade of the morning session, or we will be back tomorrow during the morning session then. Okay, I will see you in a bit. Okay, we are back 25 minutes past 11, which is 25 minutes after 4 New York, and look what price has decided to do. So it looks like it went up to consequent encroachment of the bearish order block, and looks like it is going down, meaning this H1 BC was a fake out. It was just fake to trap buyers into thinking that the market was ready to go up. And this, remember what I said earlier, this here, the daily BC, is a very powerful it would be what considered support zone, meaning if price is going lower, it needs to come into discount and then go up. And discount, if we measure it, take our fib, measure the daily, let's see, yeah, that's it, measure the daily, this is the 0.5 level, so price needs to come into discount, which is about midway or consequent encroachment of the H4 BC, and probably start making its way up. So what does this mean for me and my trading this morning? It means I have got no trade. All right, this didn't form a BC, nor did it form an order block. We still have part of this BC to paint. So price could be coming lower, and that means it can be coming lower to create the low of the week between 7 and 9 a.m. That's if the low of the week is going to be created today, being a Tuesday. So for us, it means we are not trading today. There's no setup So since there's no setup, we come back tomorrow hoping that market will show us its willingness to go up tomorrow. And the reason why I'm actually thinking that we are still bullish is because we have this busy. So we still have this imbalance, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency that is yet to be repriced. This is why I keep on leaning on being bullish. And also we still have part of this CB that's on the higher time frame, the monthly. We still have the premium level to be repriced. That's if price is to follow the algorithmic pattern that we buy at discount and we sell at premium. Right now price is in discount. Actually, it's not in discount. If you're looking at it from the BC point of view, right now price is in premium of the BC, meaning we should be looking to sell. Okay, so let's assume we're looking to sell. It means our 2 to 4 a.m. candle, which is here, should have created a CB. The CB was created here at the 1 o'clock candle, and this wasn't going to be my trade anyways because I was looking for higher prices since we are trading below New York Open. I would have been looking for lower prices if we're trading above New York Open or above Asia to tank, but because I am below New York and below Asia, I would like it to go up, to be bullish. So that's my analysis for the day, my trade for the day. No entry. This is not my criteria. This is not my criteria. I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to leave that in there. But this is not my entry criteria, so I am not going to trade. It's you know, it's I think one of the most fascinating things I've ever had to do, because I'm recording. I know somebody is going to watch this. I don't know how many people will eventually watch this, but then I'm talking to myself. So, you know, you can really be silly and do all those things that you do when no one is watching. So yeah, I think I'll leave the bloopers in there because it creates a reality in the recording and in the journey of YouTubing. Okay. So I think that's it for today, guys. I am happy with my analysis. I will be sitting on the sidelines and I will be back tomorrow to see how price is painted and if it left us any clues where entry is concerned. I still would like to see price coming up towards premium during the course of the week. And when it gets to premium, we then continue with our overall bearish leg. Remember what I've been telling you, that the only way that I am going to probably consider a change of character where the market is concerned is once it trades above this swing high on the monthly. For now, we are predominantly bearish. Okay, we are predominantly bearish, right? This high here created relative equal highs. It didn't trade above. It's relative equal to here, and then it tanked, and so we probably still doing this until hopefully we reach the swing low here, and then we probably start making our way up. Market structure. So anyways, I know I love the sound of my voice, but I think that's it for today. I will be back tomorrow. Thank you so much once again for sticking by, and don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to hit the notification bell so that you can watch more of my videos. I am considering maybe starting to make not just my chart videos, but also videos of what I have learned since June of 2022 when I embarked on the trading journey. From June to December 2022, I was learning retail concepts, and then January up until now, I am learning institutional concepts through the Inner Circle Trader. And the whole of last year, it was one of those things, just pressing buttons, not knowing what I was doing because I was learning from a lot of people. But when I started looking at the inner circle trader and how to read price, how to look at price, I've kind of like understood it a bit. I'm now working on myself where not trading when I'm not supposed to be trading is concerned, and achieving the milestones that I will be achieving as I grow as a trader. Okay, so for now, I really thank you for stopping by, and I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget, subscribe, and bring your friends and tell them to subscribe. I think at some point I'm going to really love teaching how to trade once I understand it fully. Okay, so until tomorrow, enjoy your day. Bye bye. Da, 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 da. Ay, 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 ay.